Hi guys, today we set sail on a short trip to the Stockholm Archipelago. Info at the end of the video, but first...
When you came over, my heart was on its way out. I wasn't sober and I was thinking out loud. I spoke of your bravery, your wit and audacity, coming over and letting go of it all. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently. Beside me, you held my hand in the dark. I started fighting, 'cause I was scared of it all. And isn't it glorious how love gets the best of us? Yeah, I got feelings, but I'm a tough one sometimes. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently.
And here we go! Hi folks, it's Lawrence from Italy and let's talk about this fantastic experience. Did you enjoy the shots of the Archipelago Tour? It was a great ride aboard the ship of Ostano, sorry for the pronunciation, discovering the incredible Stockholm Archipelago. If you are interested, booking is really easy and I will share the link with you in the comments below. It is possible to buy the ticket in 2 different moments of the day, except in some period of the years where you can book 3 times of the day. You can easily check the availability on the website. You can have lunch on the boat or, as I did, stay outside and watch the waves and the islands and take some amazing pictures. Of course, be aware that if you are outside, especially in the spring and winter months, and also in autumn months, it's very cold. So cover up before you catch a cold like I did. The tour goes as far as the town of Vaxholm, with incredible views of the archipelago. Really advised. So, did I make you want to? I hope so! The video ends here, thanks for watching, see you next week. In the meantime, my friends, cheers!